What's up guys, this is Brent with 24/7 Parts, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to level the deck on a John Deere Z735M. Now this is also going to work for all of the Z700 models, but today we are specifically on the Z735M. Now the first step whenever we're going to level our decks, no matter what mower that we're looking at, is checking tire pressure and making sure that those pressures are by spec. So on the Z700 series, if you do have the pneumatic tires here in the front, you need to be at 14 PSI, and then at the rear, we need to be at 12 PSI. This just ensures that the mower is sitting at the correct height. That way the reading on your deck height adjustment knob is correct whenever we are going to measure for that levelness. Next, we need to make sure that we are on a level surface. That way whenever we are using our deck leveling gauge, that we are getting a good reading so it can sit flat on that surface once we're measuring that to the blade tip. Next, we need to come here to our deck height adjustment knob, and a good rule of thumb is to set that at 3 inches here. Now we're looking for this little knob or this little notch in the plastic right here. That is going to tell you where you're sitting at on your setting. So we're going to set that at 3 inches as a good rule of thumb and go ahead and drop that deck down. Next, what we're looking for is right underneath. We look straight down from our deck height adjust, and we want to be looking here at this gear right underneath, and there is a 3 marking on that. We want to make sure that it is in position with this arm at that 3. That way we know we don't have anything out of adjustment, and that way we know that we are for sure going to get the right reading, and that way we can level this deck based on that 3-inch mark. Next, we want to make sure and get our blades spun to where they are facing forward and backward here. Now you'll have to do this on each individual blade. As you see, when you turn one, the others are going to turn. But our initial measurement that we're looking for is going to be this front blade tip right here. So this is where we would take our deck leveling gauge, set it flat on the ground like we have here, and then we would start to raise up and get that measurement for the very front tip of that blade. So we're set at 3, and it looks like we are reading about 3 1/4 here, and so we want to be within 1/8 of an inch of 3 and as close as we can get to 3. So what we're going to do is move up here to our chain hangers, and I'm going to show you how to adjust the height. These are our chain hangers. Now we're going to have these on the front on both sides and also back here at the rear. Now how we are going to adjust these is with a 15mm wrench and a 16mm wrench. So the first thing that we're going to do is reach back here with our 15mm and go ahead and get this nut on the back here loosened up. And once we start to feel a little bit of a give, now we can take the open end of our 16mm wrench, put this onto this inside nut that is actually attached to this hanger here, and we can take that and just start to push up or down, whichever way we're needing to go. Now we were needing to raise that up, so I'm going to raise up here. So by pushing down, we're going to be raising up, and by pushing up, we're going to be lowering that deck down. So we needed to go back down just a touch here to get to that 3-inch mark. So I've let it down just a little bit here, and now I'm going to go ahead and go on the back side and tighten up my nut just like that to make sure things stay in place. And now at this point is when I would go back and forth making my measurements. So we're wanting to measure all 3 of our front blade tips, mainly just our outside 2, because if we have the outside 2 leveled at that 3-inch, then our center is going to be okay. So we want to go over here on the right hand side, measure that front blade tip, get it set in place here with our hanger, then go back over to the left hand side, do that same procedure using our 15 and 16mm wrench and our leveling gauge here. Make sure and get those front 2 right at the 3-inch mark, and this may take a couple of passes going back and forth checking that, but a very easy system to make sure that's level. Now, when we move to the rear, we have the exact same system, but the one thing that you want to keep in mind is that whenever we're looking at levelness of a deck, we want it level all the way across. So we want those front blade tips measuring 3 inches. But the one thing that we want here at the rear is we want the rear to be 1/8 of an inch higher, between 1/8 and 1/4 of an inch. And what this does is create what's called rake. So that way our deck is sitting just a little bit forward, so we're avoiding what's called double cutting. We're not getting that cutting here at the front and at the rear. We're getting that main cut right here at the front, and then the rear is just going to be used to help process that material just a little bit better. So I hope after watching this video, this made you a little more comfortable, a little more at ease about how easy it really is to adjust the levelness of the deck on these John Deere Z700s. Literally, you only need 4 tools: a tire gauge, a deck leveling gauge, and a 15 and 16 millimeter wrench. So, very easy process. I hope this video helped you out. If you liked this video or this video did help you out, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you're needing any parts at all, make sure to go check us out at 247parts.com. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.